Welcome to Linguista. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." Here in Linguista, we believe in our dreams, and we are working hard every day to achieve them. In this video, we show our 5-year plan under the name of the Linguista Plan. So, in the first year, we aim at developing the application to deliver the following features: deleting messages, media messaging, and notifications. In the second year, we expand our reach by existing on the web throughout creating a website. On the third year, like every application, we want to expand furthermore. So we aim to organize a budget in the third year to publish Linguista on the App Store and Play Store. Following year, we step up our game by adding another pack of features to the app, including group chatting and voice conferencing. After all, we as Linguista aim at hitting the 1000 linguists milestone at 5 years. We need your help, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and view our other videos to download Linguista and support us.